Good morning, buenos días, enero 18 de 1991, January 18, 1991. Today we are going to run the Reventazon River, Class 3 section in Costa Rica with Costa Rica Costa Rica expeditions. Here we have the guides giving them the safety talk, safety speech.
Hi, I'm Skip Evans from Denver, Colorado.
Thank you very much.
Donna Evans, Denver, Colorado.
Muchas gracias, Donna.
De nada. Me llamo Cristina, soy de Suiza.
Muchas gracias, Cristina. Muchas gracias.
Gabriela, Afrika, Suiza.
Muchas gracias.
Ming Beat, Suiza.
Muchas gracias. Hope to see you at the end of the trip. Bye bye. Our guide in this draft. Yeah, come on, Uli.
I'm Hugo, I'm from Curacao, Dutch Antilles.
Muchas gracias, Hugo.
I'm Norm Haber from California.
Thank you very much.
I'm Donna Haber from Costa Rica.
Muchas gracias, Donna.
Harvey from Santa Barbara.
Muchas gracias, Harvey.
Hi.
I'm Manette from Palm Springs, California.
Muchas gracias. Our guide in this draft.
Hi, I'm Eva from Australia, the Queen Rita.
Thank you very much. Hope to see you at the end of the trip. Bye bye. Have fun.
Eric Schneiderman from New York.
Muchas gracias, Eric.
Adrián Lombardo, Argentina.
Muchas gracias, Adrián.
María Florencia Berti, Costa Rica.
Muchas gracias.
Jennifer Cunningham, Nueva York.
Thank you very much, Jennifer.
Max Berkum, Sabana Sur.
Muchas gracias, Max.
Gabriel Lombardo, Argentina.
Muchas gracias, Javier. Our guide in this draft, nuestro guía en esta balsa, Giovanni. Hope to see you at the end of the trip. Espero verlos al final del viaje.
We hope so. Kale Loudon from Paraíso, Costa Rica.
Muchas gracias, eso, un tico.
Gene Gear, New Jersey.
Muchas gracias.
Scotty Franklin, New Jersey also.
Thank you very much, Scotty.
Pat Loudon,
Thank you very much.
Norma Lacey, Nebraska.
Muchas gracias, Norman.
Steve Loudon, Lexington, Nebraska.
Muchas gracias, Steve. Hope to see you at the end of the trip. Bye bye. Our guide in this draft. Pascal.
Warren Bankston from Wetaskiwin, Alberta, Canada.
Thank you very much.
I'm Shirley Stewart from Wetaskiwin, Alberta, Canada.
Muchas gracias.
Dwayne Stewart from Wetaskiwin, Alberta.
Thank you very much.
Yvonne Brown, Cynthia, Alberta.
Muchas gracias. Our guide in this draft. Eric.
Pennsylvania. Dave Brown from Alberta, Canada.
Thank you very much, sir.
Les Stewart from Pigeon Lake, Alberta.
Just Canadian here.
Joy Stewart from Pigeon Lake, Alberta.
Thank you very much.
Dory Hyman from Millet, Alberta, Canada.
Muchas gracias. Just people from Canada. Hope to see you at the end of the trip. Bye bye. Enjoyed it. Have fun.
My name is Jeff Gren. I'm from Guelph, Ontario, Canada.
Muchas gracias, Jeff. Thank you very much.
Heidi from New York.
Muchas gracias.
Franco.
¿Dónde vive Franco?
Italia.
Muchas gracias. Gracias.
Donna from Michigan.
Thank you very much, Dana.
Gaetano dalla Sicilia.
Thank you very much. Muchas gracias. Hope to see you at the end of the trip. Bye bye. Have fun. Enjoy. Our guide in this draft. Jill and Javier. Jill and his crew, Jill and his team. Look, they are coming. And here they are coming. Let's see what happened today. Great, very good. Wow. Very good. Eric and his crew, Eric and his team, looking good. People from Canada. Uli y su equipo. Uli, wow, and his crew. Great, very good. Good job, guys. Yeah, wonderful. Very good. Pascal and his crew. Wow, great, very good. good. Good job, guys. Wonderful. Great, very, very good. Her and her crew, her and her team. Wow, great, very good. Good job, wonderful. Come on, paddle forward. Hey, what happened there? Nobody is paddling. Yeah, looking good, Joe. Looking good. Buen trabajo. Giovanni y su equipo. Giovanni and his crew. Vamos a ver, adelante con fuerza. Wow, great, very good. Good job, guys. Giovanni and his crew. Great, very good. Good job. Looking good. Muy bien, buen trabajo. Nos vemos pronto. See you soon. Heather and her crew. The Heaven Gate Rapids, Reventazon River. Jill and his crew, Jill and his team. Rápido, la puerta del cielo. Heaven Gate Rapids. Eric and his crew, Eric and his team. Come on, paddle forward. Disaster. Oh, nobody's paddling. Oh my God. Giovanni y su equipo, Giovanni and his crew. Rápido, la puerta del cielo. Heaven Gate Rapids. Oh. Looking good. Good job. Great, very good. Oh, we have a swimmer. Tenemos nadador. Good job. Muy bien, buen trabajo. The sugar mill rapid. Rápido. Jugo de caña. Jill and his crew. Jill and his team. Great, very good. Avanti. Avanti. Great, very good. Good job, looking good. Pascal y su equipo. Pascal and his crew. Looking good. Come on, paddle forward. Great, very good. Yeah, good job. Wonderful. Looking good. Muy bien, buen trabajo. Her and her crew. Her and her team. Come on, paddle forward. Yeah. Adelante, come on, vamos con fuerza. Looking good. Uli and his crew. Uli and his team. Eric and his crew. Eric and his team. Eric and his team. Eric y su equipo. Muy bien, great, very good. Looking good. Giovanni y su equipo. A ver, Argentina, a ver qué pasa. Giovanni and his crew. Looking good. Muy bien, adelante con fuerza, eso es, come on, paddle forward. Great. Muy bien, mucho grito, poco remo. Looking good, guys. Good job. Buen trabajo. Nos vemos pronto. Jill and his crew. Wow, great, very good. Jill and his team. Good job. Looking good. Hey! Pascal and his crew. Pascal and his team. Pascal y su equipo. Great, very good. Good job, guys. Wonderful. Look. Eric and his crew, Eric and his team. Great, very good. Yeah, looking good, guys. Wonderful. Sí, adiós, bye. his equipo, Uli and his crew. Great, very good. Yeah, good job, looking good. Muy bien, buen trabajo. Sí, adiós. Ellen and her crew, Ellen and her team. Wonderful. Yeah. Good job. Giovanni is the grupo. Giovanni is the equipo. Giovanni and his crew. Wow. What happened there? ¿Qué pasa ahí? Come on, palo forward. Forward. Hija. A ver, adelante, remando. ¿Qué pasa? Muy bien, sí, buen trabajo. Good job. Nos vemos pronto, muchachos. See you soon. El diablo, rápido, rápido el diablo, the diablo rapid, Reventazon River in Costa Rica, with Costa Rica Raft, Costa Rica Expedition. Pascal and his crew, Pascal and his team. Come on, follow forward, forward, forward. Great, very good. Good job, guys. Yeah, wonderful. Looking, Gil and his crew, Gil and his team. Trabajo, con fuerza, forza Italia. Good job, guys, very good. Molto bene. Uli and his crew, Uli and his team. Looking good, yeah. Good job, guys, wonderful. Very good. Beautiful. Good job, buen trabajo. Wow, great, very good. Ellen and her crew, Ellen and her team, Ellen is equipo. Hey, what are you doing? Come on, paddle forward. Sorry, back paddle, back paddle, back paddle, back paddle, back paddle, back paddle. Yeah, great, very good, good job. Eric and his crew, Eric and his team, Eric is equipo. Uh-oh. Oh, rock side, looking, looking good. Hey guys, what are you doing there? Yeah. Uh-oh. Looking good. Ah, what a team, what a rock, what a guide. Looking good. Good job, guys. Hey guys, what are you doing there? Looking good. Giovanni is equipo. Giovanni and his crew. Uh-oh. Come on, guys. Paddle forward. Forward. Uh-oh. Disaster. Ah. Hey, what are you doing there? ¿Qué están haciendo ahí? Come on, back paddle, back paddle, back. Great, very good. Muy bien, buen trabajo. Good job, guys. Hey, Jennifer, come on, we need you paddling. One more shot for these beautiful Canadians. Yeah, looking good, guys. Good job. This is the Diablo Rapids. rápido, el diablo, Reventazon River, Río Reventazon. That's why we name it the Diablo, the Evil, the Killer Rapid, rápido, el rompebalsas. Avanti! Hey, what are you doing here? ¿Qué están haciendo aquí? Avanti, avanti! Hey, what are you doing here? Come on, paddle forward, forward, forward. Oh, oh. Great, very good. Good job, guys. Wonderful. Molto bueno. Hija. Eric and his crew. Eric and his team. Looking good. Come on. Hija. Killer Rapid, rápido, el rompebalsas. Pascal and his crew, Pascal and his team. Lot of action today, guys. Looking good. Yeah. Good job, wonderful, very good. Yeah. Wonderful. Yeah. Good job, guys. Rápido, el rompebalsas. Killer Rapid. Heather and her crew. Heather and her team. Come on. Left back, right forward now. Yeah. Uh-oh. 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 Yeah. Looking good. Uh-oh. Yeepa. Yeep. Wow, good job. Giovanni y su equipo. Giovanni and his crew. Come on, forward, forward, forward. Muy bien, buen trabajo. Good job, guys. Great, very good. Wonderful. Yeah. Looking good. Muy bien. Nos vemos pronto. See you soon. El río Pejivalle, un tributario o afluente del río Reventazon. The Pejivalle River, a tributary from the Reventazon. El lecho gigante o arborescente de nuestros bosques húmedos tropicales, the giant fern from our tropical rainforest. Nuestra hora de almuerzo. Our lunch time.
How goes it? What a great day.
What a bite, huh?
Lo me falta, maní, que me firme comiendo. ¿Cómo estás? ¿Cansada? Más o menos.
What a bite, huh? Oh.
A lot nicer, great.
Crash into something. Yo me agarré así.
Here you can see part of our wildlife. What's it? We have, look at this really weird creature.
Ah, where are you from? Ah, take it easy, huh? Hey guys, where are you going? Y después de ese delicioso almuerzo, aquí estamos de nuevo, en el río, en los rápidos, en acción. After that delicious lunch, here we are again, in the river, in the rapids, in action. The island rapid, rápido de la isla. Gil and his crew, Gil and his team, come on, paddle forward, 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 forward. Yep. Boom, great. Good job, looking good. Yeah, great, very good. Heather and her crew, wow, great, very good. Heather and her team. Eric and his crew, Eric and his team, wow, great, very good. Looking good. Come on, forward, forward, go, 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 go. Yeehaw. Great, very good. Good job, guys. Looking good. Yeehaw. Looking good. Uli and his crew, Uli and his team. A ver, adelante, con fuerza. Great, very good. Uli y su equipo. Vamos, a ver, adelante, come on, palo forward, forward, forward. Yeah. Wow, great, very good. Looking good. Good job, guys. Giovanni y su equipo. Giovanni and his crew. Come on. A ver, vamos, adelante, con fuerza. Palo forward, forward. Yeah. Great, very good. Vamos, vamos, adelante, come on, palo forward, forward, forward. Yeah, great, very good. What happened with the guide? ¿Qué pasa con el guía? Looking good. Pascal! Pascal and his crew! Pascal and his team! Come on, paddle forward, forward, forward! Room, boom! Come on, forward, forward! Good job, guys! Looking good! Come on! Wow! Yeehaw! Looking good! Nos vemos pronto! See you soon! El rápido del gordo, el gordo de abajo, the lower gordo, lower fat one, lower gordo rapid. Pascal.